Every atom in your body, from the oxygen you breathe to the carbon in your DNA, exists because of a single event that happened 13.8 billion years ago. But here's the problem. For nearly a century, scientists couldn't prove a key part of it ever happened. What if the very foundation of our existence was just a theoretical ghost? Today, we're going inside the lab that finally brought the universe's first ghost molecule to life. Before this, if you want to support the channel so we can continue making videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Right after the Big Bang, the universe was a trillions of degrees physical hell. It was way too hot for anything to stick together. Physics ruled the day. Chemistry didn't even exist yet. But then, as the universe expanded, things cooled down. About 380,000 years later, we got the first simple atoms: hydrogen and helium. But atoms are just building blocks. To build the first stars and galaxies, the universe needed a way to cool itself down even further. It needed a pioneer. That pioneer was helium hydride. For the first time, two different elements, helium and hydrogen, shook hands and stayed together. Think of it as the universe's first air conditioner. This tiny molecule absorbed the chaotic energy of the early gas clouds, allowing them to cool, condense, and eventually collapse into the very first stars. Without this one specific molecule, the universe would still be a hot, featureless fog. No stars, no planets, and definitely no you. Now here is where it gets weird. Scientists predicted this molecule existed all the way back in the 1930s. But for the next 80 years, they searched the stars and found nothing. How could the most important molecule in history be completely missing? It became an astronomical legend, a ghost in the machine of the cosmos. That is, until 2019, when NASA used a specialized telescope on a Boeing 747 to finally find it, hiding in a nebula 3,000 light-years away. Finding it in space wasn't enough. Scientists at the Max Planck Institute wanted to see it in action, so they built a machine to mimic the absolute zero temperatures of deep space. Now, basic chemistry class tells you that reactions slow down when it gets cold. If you freeze something, the molecules stop moving. But when they tested helium hydride at minus 267 degrees Celsius, the molecule completely ignored the rules. The reaction rate stayed constant. It was built for the cold. This single experiment proves that the universe didn't wait for perfect conditions to start building. Helium hydride was a specialist designed to function in a freezing, empty void. By recreating this, we've confirmed the first page of the cosmic manual. Every single chemical bond that makes your life possible today is a direct descendant of this one, impossible-to-find molecule. We used to think chemistry was just something that happened on planets. Now we know chemistry is what made the planets possible in the first place. The first line of our cosmic history was written 13.8 billion years ago. So if you liked this video and you want to see more, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.